How you doing, guys? Welcome to the HTML Email Developer YouTube channel. Check out my books if you want to learn how to be an HTML email developer. Only $9.99, and we have the how to build your email developer portfolio, as well as how to become a web content editor and how to become an email marketing specialist. And we have an interview prep packet that has lots of resourceful information. Let's get to our job. We have this job by this company called Renaissance, and it is a web content specialist. It could be web content editor, maybe administrative editor. They got all different kind of names these days. But let's get into it. Um, it says the job description right here is we're looking for a talented web specialist to join our team and help us enhance our online presence. As a web specialist, you will be working closely with the rest of the team to optimize our company's website and ensure an exceptional user experience. You will closely work with our marketing team to implement site updates, improve site performance, and drive online engagement. So you're basically going to be doing a lot of updating on the website. So which is a pretty cool job. If I can do that uh, as a full-time job, man, I would love to do that. But anyway, it says in this role you will have the opportunity to constantly enhance your technical skills in web development, SEO, and analytics, play a crucial role in improving user experience and driving online engagement for the company, work closely with diverse teams, including marketing, design, and IT, fostering a dynamic and supportive work culture. So you'll be working with different teams because they may need different things with marketing. They may need the design change. The IT. They may need to do something or assist them communicating with them if they want to do some IT on the website. So you'll be dealing with all type of different I'd say team co-workers and teams. It says as a website content specialist, you will lead or contribute to the layout of the web pages, web page templates, email templates, graphics, and other digital design solutions using wireframes, mockups, sitemaps, flowcharts, prototypes, etc. So wireframes, I'm not familiar with. I'm familiar with it, but I have not used it. But sometimes, guys, don't be intimidated because you may, you started working this job, you realize they may want you to do only one thing with wireframes. So it's just so don't be too intimidated by things that you're not familiar with, because some of these tools or software they can be taught to you to do that specific task or duty that they want you to do, and it won't take that long to learn it. Proactively identify opportunities and potential solutions for improvement of UX UI for Renaissance.com and other digital properties. So they probably have some other websites too that you want to work on. I've noticed when I interview with a couple of these companies like this, it's never just one website that they want you to work on. It's always a sister website or another website that they are working with. That they want you to work on as well. It says coordinate with the web teams to create wireframes and markups of new pages based on relevant strategy, content strategy, SEO strategy, and design best practices. So they might want you to do a little bit light, SEO or whatever content. You're probably going to be copying and pasting the content. It's probably going to get it from a writer or someone, and then they're going to have you implement it into their website. Coordinate with marketing team and other stakeholders on web page builds and updates for Renaissance.com. So for this role, as a web specialist, you must have 2 to 3 years as a visual designer for digital properties, 2-year design degree for an accredited school or university, or equitable experience. So remember, equitable experience. So that don't mean you have to have a degree necessarily. Strong verbal and written communication skills with the ability to clearly communicate and respond to project expectations, designer requirements, feedback, etc. with stakeholders less well versed in design principles. Working knowledge of Adobe Creative Suite. Knowledge and experience working with WordPress. Understanding of front-end technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, to help inform UX UI decisions. Practical knowledge of user centered design methodologies, methodologies, and web-based information, architecture, and designs, as well as familiarity with emerging technologies and design tools. A portfolio of your design work on web pages and user interfaces, including wireframes and mockups that demonstrate your design process. Yeah, I did say they didn't. You don't have to know a lot about wireframes, but they did specify it in here. So, but again, don't be intimidated by it. But if you could just look it up and YouTube it, Google it, and learn the process, you'll be good. You can learn the basics. To be honest, the basics you can learn. It says experience in a remote hybrid work environment. Now they said it was remote up here, but sometimes this depends, guys. This is what they're saying. They really want to hire somebody in their local area, but they're not opposed to it because they've told me that several times. So I wouldn't take that to heart as well. Ability to stay focused, self-manage, prioritize, and produce strong work with minimal oversight. Must be organized and extremely detailed oriented. And this is the salary right here. And they have their benefits as well. So this is the full-time position. It's not a contract position. They got their benefits right here listed. But yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad of a job. I don't think it is. It's basically simple work. Simple work. Just updating the website and things of that nature. So again, don't worry about the wireframe and the markups. You can learn that easily. And if you get the job, they will coach you through it, and show you what you need to do because you're probably going to be doing the same task over and over with those markups and those wireframes. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Again, this is the website content specialist, and this is what they're paying right here. I think that's like 30 something, but it'll be on my thumbnail, so you'll see it. And this is a key pre-K educational technology company, I guess. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on this position. If you need anything else, put it in the comments. I have all the links to the ebooks below in the description. This is the HTML Email Developer YouTube channel. Take care.